What's inside this? Who is it made by? You've probably seen the thumbnail anyway. This is a new product from Comica. If you want to know what's inside, stay tuned and I'll show you. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT, Ixis on Tech. I am Ixis. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you haven't done so already, then hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much. How are we all doing? You all safe and well out there in the world? So in today's episode, I have been sent a Comica CVM. I got it written underneath my monitor. So this is the Comica CVM-VM10 K2 multifunction smartphone video kit. So Comica are very well known throughout the world for their professional audio equipment. So I'm currently using on every video since I've received it. It's the Comica CVM-AX3. It's an audio amplifier, and that's what my little microphone is connected to. So this is basically a vlogging kit. Let me show you what's inside the box. So it comes in a really nice little carry-on bag. Yes, got the Comica logo on the front. We unzip and open it up. We have the Comica card, a little warranty thing, quality certification, and the user manual. Now looking at the user manual, it shows 4 different kits on there. So let's see what else we have in here. Of course, the silica gel, this tripod, right? This tripod, it is so well made. It feels like it's metal. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't want to scratch it to find out if it is or isn't. But it's got an adjustable ball head on the top with a 1/4-inch thread. So even if you don't use it for your phone holder, you can use it for something else. Even just put the microphone on top of, and then put it in front of your monitor for when you're having video calls, for example. So there's the little tripod. Very, very sturdy, very sturdy. Now this is the best phone holder I have ever seen, right? It's got the thread on the bottom that attaches to the tripod. Brilliant. So you can just thread it on there. It's got threads all the way around. So you can just put it on and just screw it down on top of the tripod mount, any tripod mount. So you don't have to turn it around like a million times just to get it to screw on. But the best part is rubber on the inside. It will protect your phone. It's got a hot shoe on top and it's threaded. So you unscrew it and it gets wider. For you to put any size phone in there. I'll get the tape measure out in a minute and tell you what the maximum it can go to, what the minimum it can go to. But another important product in this kit is the Comica microphone. So this is the CVM-VM10 II, a video microphone in its own little mount, so it doesn't absorb all the vibrations and goes through the microphone. And what else do we have? Oh yes, very importantly as well, so you can hear what you're recording, so you can put what you're recording into your device, is the TRRS to TRRS adapter cable. So if you're wondering what a TRRS is, it stands for tip, ring, sleeve. And then on the other end, which goes into your phone, the grey bit goes into your phone. Oh, it's got a little icon of a phone on there as well. Oh, I did not notice that. Well, that's cool. So you know where to plug it in. So that's tip, ring, sleeve. So tip, ring, sleeve is more like if you use a mobile phone that's got a headphone port, or like a phone that has the lightning port to headphone adapter. If you ever use wired headphones and it's got a microphone on it, then this kit will work with your phone. So as long as you can use a pair of headphones with a microphone on your current smartphone, then you will be able to use this to record the video, your podcasts, your video casts, your vlogging, etc., even your YouTube videos. So we plug in the black bit into the microphone, like so, and then we plug the other bit into your phone. What else do we get in here? What they call a dead cat, or also known as a wind buff, but dead cats, they call them in the trade. Even got the little Comica logo sewn in on the side, so you know where it's from and what quality product this is. Now I haven't tested it out in the weather today. Unfortunately, it's been absolutely tipping down here in the UK, in Newport, where I am at the moment. So I haven't been outside to see how the dead cat works, but you see them on all news programs and outside broadcasts and stuff, so they do work. Let's put that back in there. So my phone, let's widen this up then, shall we, and put that in there. No, a bit more. Yay, there we go. Right, so my phone has a cover on it, so it does go that wide. As I said, I'll leave the measurements right by here. So the minimum by there, and the maximum height it can go, the maximum width it can clamp your phone to is by there. There we go. So let's screw this on. As I said, this is very easy to screw on. You just turn the thread that's on there. You don't have to go spinning your phone around. Fantastic. So that's my phone clamped in there. Microphone slides into the cold shoe on the top, and then you screw that down, and that's all in place. The grey bit, the grey plug, sorry, you plug into your headphone port, which my phone has, by the way. So to adjust the tripod, you think, well, there's no thread, or there's a little button on the front, or on the side, wherever you put the button anyway. So just push the button in and tilt the ball head back or forward, wherever you want to do it. There you go, very smooth. You let go, and it holds it in place. So even if you put like a light on top, and then the microphone on top of that, this is very, very sturdy. So let's tilt it back a little bit. Now you're thinking, well, that looks a bit low. Well, all you gotta do is get a box, stick it on top. Ta-da! All right, so let's fire up the app and let's do a sound test, shall we? So what app am I using today? I'm gonna be using Open Camera. There we go. I've set this already to record at 1080p because my phone struggles a bit with 4K, I'm afraid. So the picture quality of the video when I'm recording in a minute, you may think it's a bit blurry, but I'll try and upscale it in my video editing. Let's switch around to the front camera. So it's already set, ooh, hello. It's already set for video. Let's tilt that down a little bit. So as with vlogging and YouTubing and camera work and everything, if you're the star of the show and it's like a one-on-one video like me and you, then always try to look into the camera lens. So I'm gonna hit record. There we go. So now I'm recording. I'm now speaking into the Comica CVM, what was it called again? So now I'm talking into the Comica CVM-VM10 Mark II microphone with the amazingly sturdy vlogging kit. So what do you think of the sound? I'm going to switch from this microphone, well, from that microphone now, because I've just pushed record, so I'm listening to the audio from that one, and I'm going to switch over to my lavalier microphone. And this is what my lavalier microphone sounds like. So I am, what, about maybe 40 centimeters away from the microphone. Let's go back to the audio now from this microphone, the Comica CVM-VM10. So what do you think? I've had a listen to this earlier on today, and I really think I keep looking at the microphone for some reason instead of looking into the lens. So I do apologise about that. So I've had to listen back to the microphone when I received it the other day. I recorded it into my PC, put into the microphone port, the audio in port, recorded it through Audacity, and I thought it gave a nice warm sound. Just like on my CVM-AX3, the audio mixer. Now, a really good thing about this vlogging kit, as I call it, even though they call it a multifunction smartphone video kit, same thing, vlogging kit, you can just collapse the legs, tilt the head a little bit more, and there we go. And then you've got your own, off shot. Then you've got your little vlogging kitty thing. There you go. Let me show you my camera setup, my lights and all. So I got one there, one there. Got the overhead camera. There's my ceiling. Don't want to see the rest of the room, do you? So what do you think of this audio now? So I'm at an arm's length, which is maybe around about 60 centimeters. So if you've watched my videos before, you probably know that from, oh, I can't do it now, can I? From there to there on me is 1 meter. 20, yeah, so it's about 60 centimeters away. This is typically, I think, where you would hold a phone if you were vlogging, for example. What does the audio sound like? Let's have a listen. Ooh, that sounds really nice. Fair play. Well done, Comica. Your products sound amazing, by the way. So what I thought I'd do now is to unplug my lavalier microphone, go into the CVM-AX2, and plug this microphone directly into it. So I'm just going to unplug a minute and plug that one in. So there you go, I've plugged it in, and you're now hearing exclusively my voice through the little Comica CVM-VM10 Mark II. Oh crap, I forgot what it's called again. CVM-VM10 II. Oh, okay, so that's the model name of the kit. Ah, there we go then. So this is a cardioid microphone by the looks of it. Let me take the wind muff off of it. There you go. It's got a directional microphone, so it's always pointing at you. It will hear a little bit from around the edge. I'll turn it to the side, see what it sounds like. So there you go. Now I'm talking off axis, to the side of the microphone. Should still be picking me up a little bit, but not as good as what I would do from the front. Let's turn around so the back is facing me. So this is the back, and looking at the audio level, I don't think it's picking that much up, to be honest. So this is good for... It's pointed towards me so you can hear me. So with it being a directional microphone, then obviously it's brilliant for your personal vlogging, even recording for your podcast, as I said earlier on. So if you'd like to buy this kit, then I'll leave a link in the video description below. Let me put this back on. There we go. So I'm going to record the rest of the audio through this as well. So this has been the Comica CVM-VM10 Mark II multifunction smartphone video kit with a really sturdy tripod, an adjustable ball head on the tripod, an amazing phone mount with cold shoe on the top, with the Comica CVM-VM10 II Mark II microphone on top, with microphone plug to phone cable on it as well. So as I said, if you'd like to buy this product, then click in the video description below. You can buy it off Amazon, there's a link there. Fantastic. It's not an affiliate link, so I'm not going to get any kickback off this. So if you'd like to buy this, yeah, go ahead and click away. So if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. If not, then click that thumbs down button twice. Thank you very much. If you haven't done so already, then please hit that subscribe button below. So my video count, my subscriber count is going up and up and up and up and up. So I'm very, 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 very thankful to all of you who have subscribed so far. I've got a couple of interesting videos coming up soon. I'm going to be busy for the next few weeks. You never know what's around that corner, so hit that bell icon as well if you'd like to be notified of my next video. So thank you once again for watching IoT Ixis on Tech. I am Ixis. Thank you very much once again. I'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.